Did
you start that?
Hello.
Did you start it? Did you start the video?
Welcome to our first YouTube video.
What?
We say hi.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
So today we're gonna make a volcano erupt.
Get in it. Why?
Still trying to figure out the best way to put that. That works.
Get in it. Get in it. Get in it.
Careful, this table isn't against the wall all the way.
Yeah. What are you doing?
All right, calm down. Get the lid.
I'll get it.
You need help.
Okay, anyways, so we're gonna make a volcano today, and it's going to explode.
Get
out of here.
No, we're playing in it.
All right, sit down. Here we go.
Come on, let's do it, Nick.
Sit down.
Doing it.
Doing it.
Oh, Lauren, can you bring the instructions?
Yes.
Nick, you're it cut off.
Instruction.
You're crazy. What are you doing?
Okay, so
What?
me and Hunter here,
No, Lauren, Nick.
and Lauren and Nick are
I'll
going
give you
to
a
make this
volcano.
volcano erupt.
Nick.
And Lauren right here.
Yep. All right. So we have this discovery mind blown. We need to do a few things. So we have the volcano. Step 2 is we're going to take a funnel, and pour 50 milliliters, about 1/4 of a cup of vinegar into the
I want the
volcano.
vinegar.
I have the vinegar right here.
Oh.
It's in the cup.
Oh, that's a lot of vinegar.
Smell it.
Ew.
Perfect amount.
Smell it.
Ew.
It stinks.
Yeah, it stinks.
So we're gonna pour the vinegar into the funnel.
Yeah, we're gonna pour it in. Be careful.
There it goes.
Look inside of the bananas.
Okay.
Yeah.
Add a little craft dye to the vinegar. So
Yeah.
Need help.
we'll add this. Oh, we need a tablespoon.
Can you get the tablespoon?
So we'll
Fran?
add this to make it so that...
What are you doing, crazy?
Guys,
Hey, let me show you. Let me show
this is our
you.
volcano
I'll be
video,
right back.
not some weird dancing.
Tablespoon.
Thank you.
Why are you in the video?
I'm gonna come back.
Okay, sit
Look
down.
at this.
His clay guy.
Okay, I'm gonna make the volcano by myself.
Hey,
No, I'm gonna come back.
are we volcanoing?
Hunter,
Hey,
your
though.
YouTube video.
Yeah.
All right, sit down. So next we're gonna add a couple drops of this red craft
Yeah.
dye, so it'll look like lava.
Yeah. What are you, crazy, man?
It's powder. Don't yell in my ear, please. Thank you.
No yelling.
Okay, so we'll make it really red.
Yeah, really, really. Because it looks like fun.
And then we're gonna put the funnel to pour a 1/2 tablespoon of baking soda.
Baking soda.
And then quickly remove the funnel and step back to watch the
Need a
eruption.
half
Oh,
tablespoon.
we're gonna.
Do you have a 1/2 tablespoon?
Yeah. I'm gonna step back for a minute.
It says step back, so let's prepare to
Step back.
step back because we don't know what's gonna happen.
Yeah, it might explode.
Spill that other thing.
It's gonna explode on your phone. Oh.
Okay,
It's
so
gonna explode on your face.
Ah, you're crazy.
stop yelling.
Crazy.
What the heck?
You're crazy.
What the heck?
What?
What?
Be careful because this is gonna explode somewhere.
I'm gonna hide behind
Okay.
Hunter.
You know you're
So-
not having a. I know.
Hunter, I thought you were my co-host here. You're not even helping me.
I can.
Okay, so we're gonna go 1/2 of this. Just close
There's the
this
one.
so
Right there.
we don't spill it. Okay, you ready?
Ready?
Oh, it's not.
I'm
Why isn't it going in?
Oh no.
Is it even going in with crazy butt? Get.
There it goes.
That's what I was saying.
I wonder if we
Add
put more
more.
baking soda in, it'll
Boom.
blow.
More baking soda. Put it
Let's
in.
see. I think because the funnel was wet from the vinegar, they should
But it
probably say to
sizzling.
dry it.
It's melting the table.
That stinks. All right, Hunter.
And then explode.
Dude, we're all in.
Whoa!
What the heck is that?
Touch it. Touch it.
It's really stinky.
Should I touch it?
Magma. Science.
Should I touch it, Mama?
Bill Nye the Science Guy.
This is crazy.
Here we go again.
there's nothing to make.
Is it gonna happen? Or it might be volcanoed out.
No more vinegar?
If we want to do it again, we can do it again.
Yep.
Some more vinegar.
Blast of the soda in there, and I think that's it.
Oh, let's put some more vinegar in there.
Oh, we're gonna give it a shake.
Yeah.
No.
Or should we just pour it out?
I think it's
Well,
volcanoed
that's
out.
all for our volcano video there.
Then we just play another one.
Bye. Bye.